Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marlin Ratu Fiorentina, study Program Management, Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I will present the result of a study entitled Analysis of Factors Affecting Food Delivery User in Jabodetabek. Chapter 1, Introduction. The development of technology in the current era of globalization is developing very quickly. With the passage of time, the era of globalization shows that the growth of technology has taken an important role in a daily life because it can facilitate people in doing all activities of life. In 2019, almost 185 million people access the internet in Indonesia. The figure is expected to grow to more than 256 million by 2025. With over 185 million internet users, Indonesia is one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. In July 2020, online penetration in Indonesia reached more than 68%. Mobile internet users are experiencing a growth rate and currently account for more than 61% among the population. By 2019, there will be 5.2 billion smartphone connections, and by the end of 2020, it is predicted that half of the world's people will have access to mobile internet service. Food delivery online refers to the process by which food ordered online is prepared and delivered to consumers. The development of food delivery online has been supported by development of integrated food delivery online platforms such as McDelivery, Domino's Delivery, Yummy Brands, Pizza Hut Delivery, and others. Based on data, food delivery online users increased from 2017 to 2024. In 2019 to 2020, there was a 5% increase in the restaurant-to-consumer delivery and 4% in platform-to-consumer delivery. The world is currently being shocked by emergencies of the COVID-19 virus outbreak, which reportedly can be transmitted rapidly from human to human. The COVID-19 pandemic hit tens of millions of people quarantined at home. Most importantly, the food delivery online platform adapts their food delivery apps so that people are shipping and consumers don't make face-to-face contact during this time. Pramesti and Waluyo 2019 proves the brand image has a positive and significant influence on customer satisfaction, but Tangguh et al. 2018, which proves that brand image doesn't have a significant influence on customer satisfaction. Thus, it can be assumed that the brand image cannot necessarily affect customer satisfaction of a product or service that they have used before. Behind the increasing use of food delivery, it was found problem experienced by food delivery users. As with drivers that drain the user's balance, the order doesn't arrive even though the order status in the application has been resolved. Trust is the essence of the complexity of human relationship. Disclosed by Slater and Narver 1994, perceived value is commonly considered a trade-off between two parties. According to Rangkuti 2005, perception of perceived value can be created when the reliability of a product has been proven based on experience of consumers who have of the product. In other words, the most important component for perceived value is the comparison between product value by customer and the prospect of the product we produce compared to the competitor's product. Review from food delivery users that consumers experience disappointment with the company. Although the company is in a good category, there are still some problems in the food delivery service that result in consumer dissatisfaction with the company. To achieve customer satisfaction, the product performance must meet customer expectation. There are some negative comments written by consumers in the review column about the service provided by food delivery service providers, namely not having the ability to convince consumers to continue using product or service. Based on the above, consumers feel that the service provided are not satisfaction, so that consumers are more interested in using food delivery service competitors. Repurchase intention is one of the problems for a company because competition between companies, both service providers and products, is growing in the global world. The impact of globalization is one of lifestyle. This growing lifestyle is utilized by business to develop their company. Huang et al. 2014 proved that customer satisfaction can have a significant effect on repurchase intention. Prastiwi 2016, the study states the customer satisfaction doesn't have a significant influence on the intention of reusing. It is assumed that if consumers are satisfied, it is not certain that they will reuse product or service that they have used before. Research questions. 1. Does brand image have a positive and significant effect on customer satisfaction in food delivery users? 2. Does trust have a positive and significant effect on customer satisfaction in food delivery user? 3. Does perceived value have a positive and significant effect on customer satisfaction in food delivery users? 4. Does customer satisfaction have a positive and significant effect on customer loyalty in food delivery users? 5. Does customer satisfaction have a positive and significant effect on a repurchase intention in food delivery users? Research objective. 1. To test the positive and significant influence of brand image on customer satisfaction on food delivery users. 2. To test the positive and significant influence of trust on customer satisfaction on food delivery users. 3. To test the positive and significant influence of perceived value on customer satisfaction in food delivery users. 4. To test the positive and significant influence of customer satisfaction on customer loyalty on food delivery users. 5. To test the positive and significant influence of customer satisfaction on repurchase intention on food delivery users. Chapter 2. Background theory. Customer loyalty. From some this definition conveyed by expert can be concluded the customer loyalty is the behavior of customer who always buy back the company product consistent in the future. Advise products to friends and colleagues and not be affected situationally that will make customers switch. 2. Types of customer loyalty. According to Ciptono 2015, there are 4 types of loyalty. 1. No loyalty. 2. Spurious loyalty. 3. Latent loyalty. And 4. Loyalty. 3. Strategy for developing customer loyalty bonds. According to Lovelock 2017, the company's strategy is to strengthen relationship with their consumers. Specific strategy include 1. Deepening relationship. 2. Encourage loyalty through financial and non-financial rewards. 3. Build higher level bonds. 4. Customer loyalty dimension. According to Gremler and Brown 1996, there are 3 dimensions of customer loyalty. 1. Behavioral loyalty. 2. Attitudinal loyalty. And 3. Cognitive loyalty. Repurchase intention. From some definition of expert, it can be concluded that repurchase intention is considered as consumers have more intention to buy back a product or service when the value offered by product or service is categorized very well. 2. Factors that affect online repurchase intention. According to Lee et al. 2011, there are 8 factors that influence on online repurchase intention. A. Perceived value. B. Perceived ease of use. C. Perceived usefulness. D. Firm reputation. A. Privacy. F. Trust. G. Reliability. H. Functionality. Customer satisfaction. From some definition, expert can be concluded that customer satisfaction is a feeling resulting from a evaluation between expectation and performance. Consumers are said to be satisfied with the product or service provided by the service provider or provider of goods if they have exceeded their expectation. Factors that affect customer satisfaction. According by Lupio Adi 2001, there are 5 factors to consider with relation to customer satisfaction. A. Product quality. B. Quality of service. C. Emotional. D. Price. E. Cost and convenience. Element of the customer satisfaction program. According to Ciptono 2019, there are several elements of customer satisfaction program. A. Quality good and service. B. Relationship marketing. C. Loyalty promotion program. D. Best customer. E. Efficient handling of complaints. F. Unconditional guarantees. G. Program paid for performance. Brand image. From some of the definition expressed, it can be concluded that the brand image is the view of customer and how their thoughts on a brand of a company are different from the others or reflected by the various brand associations that exist in the consumer memory. 2. Brand image forming factors. According to Keller 2003, state that there are 3 factors. A. Favorability of brand association. B. Strength of brand association. C. Uniqueness of a brand association. Brand image component. According to Ecker 1991, state brand image has 3 components. A. Product attributes. B. Consumer benefit. C. Brand personality. It can be concluded that trust is a person assessment on what is believed that the person is reliable and believe or meets the request or expectation. Type of trust. According to Mowen and Minor 2002, the trust is divided into 3 categories. A. Object attribute trust. B. Attribute benefit trust. And C. Trust object benefit. Measure the level of trust in e-commerce. According to Pavlov Research 2003, there are 3 dimensions to measure level of trust in e-commerce. 1. Trustworthy. 2. Keeping promises and commitments. And 3. There is a tool to believe. Perceived value. From some definition of expert, if a person spends less money, time, and energy compared to the quality of service and customer satisfaction they receive, that then person will feel high perceived value. Factors that affect perceived value. Sweeney and Shorter 2001. Perceived value is from 4 aspects. 1. Emotional value, 2. Social value, 3. Quality value, and 4. Price or value for money. Influence of perceived value. Based on research conducted by Susanto 2018, there are 3 perceived value influence. A. Loyalty, B. Consumer satisfaction, and C. Consumer confidence. Chapter 3. Research methodology. Research sites. The place set by research to conduct research are Jabodetabek. Research time. Research conduct research with a time span of November 2020 to January 2021. Research approach. The research approach used by research to carry out this research is quantitative approach. Quantitative research used by research is using survey methods. Investigation conduct to obtain facts from existing symptoms and seek factual information, either about social, economic, or political institution of a group or a region. Population. In the research that will be used as population is all customers who use the food delivery application domicile in Jabodetabek. Sample. Sampling technique in the study use non-probability sampling technique. The type of non-probability sampling technique choose is purposive sampling, which is a sampling technique with certain consideration. The sample criteria used in the study are 1. Domicile in Jabodetabek area, 2. 17 years old and above, 3. Food delivery apps user at least 3 times in the last 6 months. According to Hare et al. 1998, to determine the number of samples, then using a formula that is of the number of re-age indicators multiplied by 5, so that the minimum sample size in the study is 150. According to research conducted by Ismoyo et al. 2017 with structural equation model analysis to Amos. In this case, to reduce the error rate, the size of the sample that the research will choose as many as 200 respondents. Instrument preparation. Research variable. Independent variable are brand image as X1, trust as X2, and perceived value as X3. Dependent variable. Customer loyalty as Z1 and repurchase intention as Z2. Variable intervening. Variable used in the study is customer satisfaction as Y. Measurement scale. In the study, the measurement scale used by research is Likert scale. The research was conducted by research using the Likert scale with an even scale or 6-point ranking scale. Data collection techniques. In this study, the type of data used was primary data, the data collection technique that research chose in the questionnaire. Data analysis technique. Research utilized structural equation model software with a choice of program, namely Amos. The result of vector analysis with KMO on brand image. It can be concluded that the brand image variable is declared valid. There are no indicators that need to be removed. This is because the value of vector loadings that all indicators of the brand image variable above 0.4. That it can be concluded that all indicators are declared valid. The result of factor analysis with KMO on trust. It can be concluded that the trust variable is declared valid. There are no indicators that need to be removed. This is because the value of vector loading that all indicators of the trust variable have is above 0.4. That it can be concluded that all indicators are declared valid. The result of vector analysis with KMO on perceived value. It can be concluded that the variable perceived value is declared valid. There are no indicators that need to be removed. This is because the value of vector loading that all indicators of the variable perceived value is above 0.4. That it can be concluded that all indicators are declared valid. The result of vector analysis with KMO on customer satisfaction. It can be concluded that the customer satisfaction variable is declared valid. There are no indicators that need to be removed. This is because the value of factor loadings that have all indicators of the customer satisfaction variable is above 0.4. Then it can be concluded that all indicators are declared valid. The result of factor analysis with KMO on customer loyalty. It can be concluded that the customer loyalty variable is declared valid. There are no indicators that need to be removed. This is because the value of factor loading that have all indicators of the customer loyalty variable is above 0.4. That it can be concluded that all indicators are declared valid. The result of analysis factor with KMO on the variable repurchase intention. It can be concluded that the variable repurchase intention is declared valid. There are no indicators that need to be removed. That is because the value of vector loading that all indicators of the variable repurchase intention are above 0.4. That it can be concluded that all indicators are declared valid. Reliability test result. It can be stated that of all variable it is reliable because it exceeds Cronbach's alpha above 0.60 and can be used for subsequent testing. Base confirmation factor analysis or CFA. After testing that model, there is no indicators that needs to be removed because it is qualified for conformity. So it can be said that the model on the brand image, trust, purchase value, customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, and repurchase intention variable is fit. In the full model SAM, the brand image variable is removed and the trust variable is removed, and then the perceived value variable that is removed, and the customer satisfaction variable is removed, so that the model test meets the conformity requirements. From this result, it can be said that the research model is fit. Hypothesis test result. 1. Hypothesis 1, that brand image will affect customer satisfaction positive and significant acceptable. 2. Hypothesis 2, that trust will affect customer satisfaction positive and significant acceptable. 3. Hypothesis 3, that perceived value will affect customer satisfaction positive and significant acceptable. 4. Hypothesis 4, that customer satisfaction will affect customer loyalty positive and significant acceptable. 5. Hypothesis 5, that customer satisfaction will affect repurchase intention positive and significant acceptable. Conclusion. 1. The first hypothesis, that the variable brand image affect customer satisfaction positive and significant accept. 2. The second hypothesis, that the trust variable affect customer satisfaction positively and significant accept. 3. The third hypothesis, the variable perceived value affect customer satisfaction positive and significant accept. 4. The fourth hypothesis, that the variable customer satisfaction effect on customer loyalty is positive and significant accept. The fifth hypothesis, that the variable customer satisfaction effect on repurchase intention is positive and significant accept. Implication. Brand image must be maintained so that customer perception of the company gets a positive response. It can be said the transaction over the internet on food delivery must be maintained and improved in order for the trust to increase. By maintaining and improving good quality, then perceived value will increase. Customer expectation must be comparable even beyond the service provided in order for customer satisfaction to maintain. To increase customer loyalty, it must pay attention to customer satisfaction so that the company will be the first choice when the needs of consumers arise. And next, the improved repurchase intention should pay attention to customer satisfaction so that consumer will buy back. Research limitation. At the time of spreading the questionnaire, there are some respondents don't feel well, so not all the data obtained can be used. Research conducted during the COVID-19 pandemic, this caused limited visit to the library, so that this research can only be obtained for journal and books access online. And limitation in conducting guidance that can only be done online make obstacles in completing this research. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.